I believe one of the secrets to jump-starting your business is to build your success story early. We have given you, as a new consultant, a unique opportunity to earn special bonuses in your first 30 days. We recommend that you go through our Getting Started training and review the compensation plan document to understand how our commissions are paid out. The purpose of this video is to share with you some special incentives that are only available in your first 30 days. First, let's talk about acquiring your first 3 customers. Our most popular customer option is what we call the Customer Loyalty Program. The Customer Loyalty Program includes either a Zeal loyalty pack, which contains a canister of Zeal and 12 single-serving bottles, or a complete Zurvita transformation system. When you enroll a customer on a customer loyalty program, you receive what is called a customer acquisition bonus, also known as a CAB. When it comes to enrolling a customer on a Zeal loyalty pack, you earn a $20 CAB. For enrolling a customer on a transformation system loyalty pack, you earn a $35 CAB. Personally enroll a minimum of 3 preferred customers on a customer loyalty pack that renew a second month, and you will earn a customer loyalty renewal bonus plus a residual amount for each one. This amount is different depending on which loyalty pack they renew on. Check out the Get 3 and Yours is Free program, as you are qualified for that as well. By personally enrolling at least 3 customers with product purchases in your first 30 days, you will be recognized for becoming a Customer All-Star. You are now qualified to earn bonuses under our Team Bonus and Customer Loyalty Renewal programs. Let's talk about how that works. If you personally enroll an independent consultant whose first product purchase is what we call a starter pack, which is either a express pack, quick start pack, or a builder's pack, you earn a builder's bonus. You are earning builder's bonuses between $20 and $100 for each one. Now, every starter pack carries team bonus volume, or TBV, anywhere between 100 and 500. Every time you generate 3,000 in TBV with no more than 1,500 coming from one leg, you earn a team bonus. See the Zurvita compensation plan document for more details. For example, let's say that I personally enroll 6 consultants, all whose first product purchase is a builder's pack. I have just earned $100 each, a total of $600 in builder's bonuses alone. I also generated $3,000 in team bonus volume. If I did this within my first 30 days, I earned an $800 Team All-Star bonus, and I've also earned the title Team All-Star. So between builder's bonuses, customer acquisition bonuses, Team All-Star, and customer renewals, that could be up to $2,000. Here's another example. Let's say I go out and personally enroll 2 independent consultants who purchase a builder's pack as their first product purchase. Let's say they go out and personally enroll 2 individuals on a builder's pack as well. Again, I have just earned a Team All-Star bonus, which is $800. If it takes you longer than 30 days to qualify for your first team bonus, no problem. You will earn the normal $400 team bonus instead of the Team All-Star bonus. It is important to Zurvita that we give you the best tools to get your business off to a fast start. Also, just so you know, we won't start your All-Star clock until 5 days after your start date. But don't wait, get started right away. The clock will start ticking and you have lives to change.